Yo, decided to do a little vlog today. Gonna hit a run, gonna hit some cooking, and then we're gonna get back to the lab. Right now, just waking up, watching some Monster. Simple daily routine. So, yeah, shout out to stream. Check out the stream. Show a highlight right now.
Holy fuck! There was somebody else shooting me! Where? Where? Why? Oh! My god, that's the...
But yeah, but if you don't follow the Twitch, like, please follow the Twitch, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? To everybody saying, oh, you looking mad full, my guy. Wisdom tooth removal, not actually full. Very hungry. I haven't ate in like 4 days. Like chewed food, ate, you know what I'm saying? Been eating soup, yogurt. Not a great time. You know, doing it for the long haul, as they say. So, not full, swollen, my guy. Cook up right now. Got double noodle going on, got the egg drop ramen. Gotta turn these off, gotta throw that shit in, you know what I'm saying? Post run, feeling great, feeling out of breath, you know? But can't wait to get in the lab. The lab is awaiting us. Don't really know the vibe at the moment. I kinda like flip-flop in between things. I got like ADHD, so it goes back and forth. I don't really know what we're working on today. It's gonna be sick. Try to make every song, you know, have some unique sound, so definitely gonna have that and just some vibes. Wisdom tooth still aches. Had to pop an oxy this morning. Prescription. Nah, it's going okay. I can't chew, so that's why I'm eating like noodles, you know. We're getting there, you know. Got Parasite Eve 2 OST, about to get that going. I think it was like a 4-mile run. Just the trail was beautiful. It's not that packed. It was like it's really good. Not that windy either. I was definitely sweating. Definitely cannot breathe. Asthma kicked in for sure. But we ran it. We ran the 4. Hey, follow the freaking Twitch, guys. Stream's always lit. We're always gaming. We're always making music. Well, it's like 50-50, but you know, it's fun. Come through, have a chat, give it a follow. I'm also active on Twitter. So, if you want to keep up, join the community, you know what I'm saying? Join the boys. I'm gonna eat, and then we'll see you at the lab. Yo. Doing a quick recap of this week. You know what I'm saying? Of just the music I've been doing this week. Getting started, I have this like pop song that I made. This is just a loop from Splice that I pitched down, stretched out. So this is the loop. So then I actually added some drum loops. So this was one loop at one point, just from Splice. And I also have this hi-hat loop on top of that. You know, I got a roll in there. And then I added this bass pattern with this 808. With the drum loop, I just separated kind of the kicks out, or just the low end of the loop. And then on top of that, I sang some stuff. I have like a hook right here. Then I added some more libs and a verse. So I'm just going to play a little snippet of it. I'll just play like the hook.
Hey, I was thinking I should live my best life. LAX, I'm flying to the west side. All these sheep, all these lanes, they some deer in the headlights. We hit pips back then, on back roads back then. I kept figuring it out the ways we weren't destined. Ain't no time to die, I know you want to. Look at me when I start to fall through.
So yeah, that's gonna be coming out soon. I'm only gonna do a few of these songs, by the way, but this was fun to make. The beat I love a lot, especially the open hi-hats. Got this piano. So that's pretty much it for the piano, and then the bass. Cool snare right there, little different there, and then just a straight up 16th note for the hi-hats. Oh, 8th notes. Oh, cool. 8th notes for the hi-hats. And then I have this little reverse 808, and then this like growl thing for the intro. So that's kind of like the verse, and I'll play the verse, and then in the hook we have some perks that come in. Now the open hats are really cool. They have this decrescendo right here. Every time I listen to it, what sticks out to me. So I'll just play it all together right here.
Fucking mannequins, they all think they devilish. Look at the population, all I see is counterfeits. Your shit textbook, my shit fucking next up. You need answers, guess you fucking stressed, Yeah, I'ma light this bitch up, call me Maverick. Yeah, the woods in rotation, need to pass it. Where your energy at, I guess you can match it. Pulling strings, you can make it out your plastic.
So I'm probably just going to show a couple more beats that are meant for the tape. They're not like fully mixed or written to, but they're definitely a vibe for sure. So that one's cool for sure. I sent this one to a friend of mine. We're gonna do some hyper pop, some glitch stuff. It's actually originally started out at like 100 BPM, like 3 guitars. Like these were all guitar melodies. Now it's 168 and it's hyper for sure. Nothing too crazy. I guess I have some. Oh god, this is a really old project that we just like pulled up on accident, and we were like, all right, let's go. So that concludes the recap. We're gonna get straight into a beat. I'm gonna grab a sample and make some like kind of ominous, some like eerie trap. Hopefully, this is like spooky for sure. Alright, okay, this is it. This is fucking it, boys. I think I made a banger, boys. This shit's crazy. Oh my god. Okay, so I haven't done too much mixing, but I got this like perk loop. Pretty good. I cut out some lows. You already know. Here's the sample. Pretty cool, pretty wavy. I just slapped on some more drums, added a triplet pattern that I'm gonna use later in the arrangement. But yeah, this is a banger. Check this. So yeah, I got that other section added there. I think I'm gonna try to write to this.
I stay hidden in the mist. I got emeralds on my wrist. I put Benjis on the fit. I see you rolling me. I got red eyes, black jacket. That's your motherfucking me. I got refis on the crib. I got water for your bitch. I stay hidden in the mist. I got emeralds on my wrist. I put Benjis on the fit. I see you rolling me. I got red eyes, black jacket. That's your motherfucking me. I got refis on the crib. I got water for your bitch. Hey.
Pretty good, dude. I'm fucking satisfied with that shit. So after recording a little bit more, I'm kind of hitting a roadblock. I think I'm gonna just move on and do another beat. I think I've started something. I think I've started a new thing. This melody's weird. I started out at 140 and then made this, and I was like, okay, slow it down. Sound better. Okay, it's kind of weird, right? And then I think this is one of the weirdest beats I've ever made. It's like creepy. I'll call it creepy. Hey, just got done. Probably gonna hit some food. But hey, follow the Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Every song I pretty much make live, so it's hype. Anyway, though, thank you so much for watching. This is like kind of my first vlog type of video, doing this sort of jaunt. So stay tuned for more, though. I really like doing these things. But yeah, subscribe. Thank you.